Hello, welcome to video number 2. So this is going to be your Moonlight Sonata video. Pause this, go grab Moonlight Sonata, get your hands ready to go. We're going to discuss how to end this song for your recital. And the good news is we're only going to add on about a measure or two more from where you are now. And then you'll have 3 or 4 ways to kind of just play through and perfect so you're really comfy with it. So I'll play from the beginning, play along with me, and then we'll discuss how we're going to end it for your recital. So pause the video, get ready if you need to, but here we go for Moonlight Sonata. Anyways, I think. So let's go from maybe measure 19. Let's just go right hand, measure 19, and we're going to go to the end of measure 23. So this will be a little sight reading with the right hand anyways. So we're starting with octaves of B, and then we have D sharp, F sharp, now octaves again, now D natural, and E sharp, which is F, back to B octaves, C sharp, G sharp, now A octaves, C sharp, F sharp, G natural octaves, B and D, G, B, D, F sharp, A and D sharp, now C octaves, E and G sharp, now C octaves, E and F sharp. Now this one's funky, so we have C sharp octaves, E sharp, which is F, and then G sharp. So we have C sharp, E sharp, G sharp. Now we're on the last line of the page. Here you have just regular F sharp, A, C. Now A, C up to F sharp, C sharp, F sharp, A, and we have C octaves, and we have one of these. But what we're going to do here, instead of going on, we're going to go, and we're going to end the piece there. So it's going to be beat 1 of measure 24. Hopefully that made sense. Hopefully you were with me for that sight reading. Let's go again for measure 19. We'll sight read the left hand. We're starting on B's. Here we go. B, and now we have G. Sorry, I played a C. What am I doing? So B, then we have G sharp. That note with the sharp on it is E sharp, so same thing as F. Now F sharp. Next line, back to B. Now B sharp. Now all the way low C sharp. And another low C sharp. And this is the lowest C C sharp on the piano. Or sorry, what am I saying? The lowest F sharp on the piano, C sharp in the middle, and F sharp on top. So that's the beginning of measure 23. You just hold that. And then on measure 24, we're going to ignore what it says because we're going to end there. Beat 1 of measure 24. In the left hand, I want you to just play C sharp, G sharp, and C sharp again. So a C sharp sandwich with G sharp in the middle, basically. And your right hand, you're just going to play E, G sharp, and C. So that'll be how we end that there. So let's go back now from measure 19. So you have B's everywhere. You have B octaves here and B octaves here. So for measure 19, we're going to go like slow motion through. So here we go, measure 19. We have B octaves, D sharp, F sharp, D, B, D sharp, F sharp. Now same B octaves in the right hand, left hand goes to G sharp, D, E sharp, B, D, F sharp. Now same octaves in your right hand, left hand goes to E sharp, which is F. So B octaves and E sharp, here we go. C sharp, G sharp, B, C sharp, G sharp. Now A's in the right hand, F sharp in the left hand, C sharp, F sharp. Okay, now let's go over that line before we go to the next line. So get your B's all around. Here we go, measure 19 and 20. Here we go. Left hand moves. Left hand moves to F or E sharp. Left hand moves to F sharp. Okay, let's do that one more time before we move on, and then we'll go to measure 21. So 19 and 20 again. Here we go. Oh, sorry. Oh, never mind. Sorry for being sorry. I played it right. Here we go. Good. Now measure 20. We have B's in the left hand again and G natural octaves in the right, followed by B and D in the right. So find that. Here we go. Measure 21. Good. Now F sharp octaves in the right hand, B sharp octaves in the left hand. So it's F sharp, A, D sharp. Now C sharp octaves in the right hand, and a low C sharp in the left hand. And E, G sharp. And now the same thing. And now it's F sharp and G sharp. And one more. E sharp and G sharp this time. Okay, I'm running out of time on the video to play it along slowly, so let's just go. I'll play measure 19 to where we're going to stop on your recital so you can practice from there, but I'll go slow motion. So here we go, measure 19 to first beat of 24, slow motion. No, let me play it right. Hopefully that made sense. Hopefully you're okay practicing along for this video. And yeah, I hope you had a great hockey game. I'll see you next week.